Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using the In Good Taste suite. And this is a sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. So we are going to be using In Good Taste suite, and we're going to be using Tasteful Touches. We're going to use this feather and Just Saying Hello. I have a piece of Whisper White. And I'm going to come in with my Rococo Rose. And then I have the Just Saying Hello mounted on clear block D. And then I have a piece of the In Good Taste Designer Series paper. And then I have my feather mounted on clear block C. And this piece is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. I'm just going to put the feather here in the corner, just like that. And that's all the stamping we're doing. I'm going to bring in my Big Shot, and I have the dies that coordinate. So just like that, I will make my sandwich and run that through. And then we have this. All right, so we can start putting this card together. Get my adhesive here. And like I said, this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm just going to adhere it down with another piece of Rococo Rose. And this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So just like that. All right, and our card base is Whisper White thick, and it's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So we'll put that down. Next, I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. And by now, everyone should have already received their catalog. So if you haven't and you need one, just comment below and I will reach out to you, or you can send me an email. All right, so I want it right here. And then I have the Rhinestone Basic Jewels. And I think I'm going to use these smaller ones here. I don't know, I kind of like putting them here on the ends, but I think I'm going to put on these bigger ones here on the bottom. And the top. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple card to just tell someone hello. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below.